So I'm going to show you today is Lbank task is exchanger offer. If you don't have Lbank, just create a Lbank account and that's it. Very simple, like a Garrett, Binance, Bitmart wallet. So very simple. So before dive into it, I want to say something to you. If you want to say, willing to say where you're from, it will be beneficial to me, and it is excite me a lot, for knowing you where you're from. So a couple of guys, they say they're where is they from. We are just knowing like each other's country's names here. 65 people just in my in our telegram channel, and here is, if I show you 65 people, here is couple of guys, they say that where does he from. So here is, if I do click on these four comments, both of guys, they say Rishike and Manish, they're from India, and it is so well. Okay, so if you want to say your country name, please come into this comment and say, feel free with your country name. It is excite me a lot, because I you know I'm so passionate about it, because we are connected each other. There is no barrier to connecting nowadays, because internet is get you location freedom. So anyhow, I'm going to go through these airdrop Lbank. So Lbank, I have remembered, you know 1 year, maybe more than 1 years ago, I get $100 from one line through this Lbank task. Okay, just one task makes me $100. Okay, so in order to join, what you need to do is just click on this link and or copy it or paste it into your browser, or your browser, Twitter, whatever you prefer to do. So I have Twitter apps, and I'm going to do it by my apps. So here is, I'm going to do it. I'm going to show you how I can do it, and you can be just see that how you do it. So follow, I already did follow on Lbank, so I'm going to follow Jen Lesser Sec. So Lbank I did follow, I already know. Join their telegram, and here is what they say: to retweet, if you notice here, retweet and tag through friend. So click on this like and do repost and post your replay, and exactly how I did, write and buy, just do same way to write. Okay, say something about this project and do mention exact post and click the share button. So if you don't found it out, so here it has share button, and copy it up and go to this exact post. Now go to the form fill up button, everything is in here. My email is this, should come the one, gmail.com. Sorry, I did wrong spelling again, it has been happened. So I'm going to copy it, maybe later it will be needed. So your Lbank user ID, if you don't have yet Lbank, through this link, and bam, put your Lbank. Account, Now I did participate by uh, 815. Now I did retweet, and the did retweet, there is this one pasted into here, and I did join in Telegram by this account 815. Now click on the submit. Immediately they will send you, if you do win, they will send you a couple of bucks inside of your L bank account. You can exchange it into USDT, and you can send it in your exchange others. You can sell it into others P2P, okay, and you will get it into your pocket, your money. So this is the task. And if you don't yet join the free money making process, join process room, that is our Telegram channel, just check out this description box. You will get the ultimate link of this Telegram channel coming to here. I will be appreciate about it, and you will be benefited about it, about making money that will make you happy.